Okay, good morning to everyone. Okay, welcome to Science Online class. All right, today we continue our lesson about transport system in plants. Okay, so transport system in plants. Just like humans and animals, plants also have a transport system to transport their essential materials. Okay, so the essential materials such as what? Water. Okay, water and mineral salt. Okay, plants need water and carbon dioxide to carry out photosynthesis, and glucose produced in the leaves through photosynthesis should also be transported to all parts of the plants for use by the cells. So water is also transported to other parts of the plants to maintain the turbidity of cells. Okay, if you look at this figure, okay, water need, this is a normal plant. Okay, normal plant. A and B is water was wilted because not receive much more water. Okay, if we watering the plant, okay, the plant return to return back to the normal. Okay, so means plant need water to maintain its turbidity of cells. Okay, let's we look at transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the process of water loss in the form of water vapor. Process of water loss in the form of water vapor from the surface of leaves to the air through evaporation. Okay. Or other word we can say transpiration is the process of water loss in the form of water vapor from leaf to environment. Okay, so that's the meaning of transpiration. Okay, look at here, look at this figure. Okay, figure 3.16 shows that leaves are part of a plant where most water loss occurs through transpiration. Okay, so water water loss through stoma. Okay, through stomata, because before this you was learn about stomata, isn't it? Um, the plants will release water vapor, okay, when it's do respiration and photosynthesis process. So the water, if you look at this one, the root will absorb water through osmosis process. Okay, actually you already know what is the osmosis process. Okay, the absorption um, water from low concentration to high concentration, okay, into the plant via its roots. Okay, this is the absorption of water, and then water will enter to the plant, okay, through its transport system. Okay, so this is the pathway of the water moving upward to in the plant. Okay, and then the water will lose through evaporation from the surface of leaves. This process is transpiration. Okay, transpiration. Okay, the water loss um, in the form of water vapor through stoma. Okay, stoma, because in the surface of leaf has stomata. Okay, like this. Okay, next, this is the cross section of the leaf. Okay, actually you must learn this one. Okay, the cross section of the leaf, and then this is the stomatal pore. Okay, this is the empty space. Okay, the epidermis of a leaf is made up of a single layer of epidermal cells covering both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaf. Okay, if you look at this one, this is a lower epidermis, and then this is the upper epidermis and covered by cuticle. Cuticle is the like um, the layer to protect the leaves to lost water. Dia cover permukaan daun daripada kehilangan banyak air. Okay, if you look at the cross section of the leaf, okay, this is the upper epidermis, and then this is the lower epidermis, and then at the lower epidermis got so many stomatal pore, and then the epidermal cell secrete a waxy cuticle. Okay, this one is waxy cuticle yang seperti lilin. Biasa kamu tengok daun di permukaan atas dia lebih licin. Okay, which cover the outer surface of the leaf to reduce water loss during transpiration. Okay, because this one, the upper epidermis always normally facing sun. Okay, and then function of stoma during transpiration. Okay, most of the water lost during transpiration in plants are called the stomatal pores. Okay, this is the stomatal pores found in the epidermis. When photosynthesis takes place during the day, the stoma is usually open. Okay, what enter the gut cell that causes the stomata to open? Okay, Ini tunjukkan gambar ini menunjukkan stoma terbuka dan tertutup. Okey, tertutup disebabkan oleh gut cell. Ini kita dah belajar sebelum ni. Okay. Opening of stoma also causes the plants to lose water through transpiration. Okay, transpiration. Remember, transpiration is the process of water loss in form of water vapor. So, when the stomach closes, it can reduce the loss of water. Okay, reduce the loss of water. Okay, normally, when a hot day, stomach will close. Okay, to make sure the plant didn't release much more water vapor. Okay, next, exudation or guttation. What is exudation? The word is guttation. Guttation is the process of water loss in the form of liquid through the pores called hydatode at the ends of the vein. Okay. Now, other hand, water loss from plants through transpiration. Water is also lost from plants through exudation or guttation. So, exudation is the process of water loss from plants in liquid form through hydatodes that are always open at the edge of the leaf. Okay, at the edge of the leaf. At the edge ini maksudnya di sisi macam inilah, sisi daun tepi ni. Okay, dia semasa proses respiration itu daun juga menghasilkan air dalam bentuk liquid. Okay, selain daripada water vapor. Okay, so guttation usually occurs at night or when the air humidity is high. Bila waktu malam, dia berlaku pada waktu malam dan pada apabila cuaca sangat lembap. Okay. So what is the name of the water droplets that come out of the leaf? So apa dipanggil ni? This is the water droplets. Okay. Look, guttation is different from dewdrops. Okay, guttation ini berbeza dengan dewdrops. Malaysia dewdrop is what? Embun. Okay, dewdrops are formed from the condensation process of water vapor in the atmosphere into water. Okay, so dewdrop always occur at the night. Okay, at the night. But guttation occurs at night, sometimes when air humidity is high. So kalau kamu tengok di hujung-hujung daun ada air macam ini, water droplets, dia tidak semestinya berasal daripada dewdrops. Okay, kalau dewdrop itu kita boleh tengok dia di atas permukaan. biasanya di atas permukaan air, di atas permukaan daun. Okay, maybe di sinilah dewdrop. Okay, dewdrop. Tapi untuk guttation, okay, guttation biasanya the edge of the leaf. Di sini dia akan mengeluarkan air. Okay. Okay, so you need to know the rate of transpiration, the factor affecting transpiration. One is temperature. Okay, temperature. Another one is light intensity. Then movement of air. And lastly is air humidity. So this is the 4 factors affecting transpiration. Okay, so in this one, you need to carry out the experiment wajib. Okay, if you look at the science info here, okay, science info. The rate of transpiration of plant is normally estimated using a photometer. Okay, this is the mass photometer, and then this is the bubble photometer. So we can find out the rate of transpiration of plant using this method. So mass photometer measured the rate of transpiration of plant according to the rate of mass of water absorbed by the plant. Okay, if you look at this one, okay, the plant, okay, put in the conical flask, fill with water, and then the surface of the water got a layer of oil. So why we put the layer of oil? And then we put another cotton wool here. And then this is the electronic balance to measure the amount of water. Okay, the amount of water. And this method, same as this method, because this is only used a bubble. Okay, because this one, this is a water reservoir. Kita letakkan air di sini, dan di sini juga diletakkan layer of oil, and then inside this tube got water vapor. Got air bubble. So we measure how far the water vapor air bubbles go. Okay, maybe the air bubbles start from here. Okay, and then it will go to here. Okay, kita akan sukat berapa jauh dia pergi. Okay, so actually we okay, never mind. Kamu completekan. Okay, tugasan kamu adalah sekarang ini untuk lengkapkan eksperimen wajib Semua, jangan cakap cikgu tak kasih tahu. Eksperimen wajib dalam buku ni. Okey, dalam buku ni muka surat 183, eksperimen wajib 5. Complete all eksperimen wajib 5, eksperimen wajib 6, eksperimen wajib 7 dan eksperimen wajib 8. Okey, result dia cikgu akan bagi semasa kita bincangkan nanti. Okey, dia punya result. Sebab mungkin kamu tak dapat buat di sini kan. Sebab sepatutnya kita perlu buat eksperimen di sekolah. So nanti result kita akan, cikgu akan bagi dan kita akan bincangkan soalan dia. Okay, now. Okay, start jam 11. We need to start reading. Okay, for read 10 minutes until 11:10. 11 and 10. So 10 minit. So nanti cikgu nak kamu buka kamera kamu dan cikgu nak ambil gambar yang kamu sedang membaca. Okay? Okay, boleh start membaca sekarang. Jangan keluar dulu dari kelas ni.